Are you looking for the lowest price modular kitchen renovation in Kolkata? Today, we are showing a beautiful and budget-friendly kitchen renovation project in Agarpara, North Kolkata, by Kolkata Interior. Many homes in North Kolkata apartments have small kitchens with limited storage and outdated cabinets. But with the right modular design, even a small kitchen can become modern, stylish, and highly functional. In this project at Agarpara, our team installed high-quality modular kitchen cabinets with the durable laminate finish. We designed space-saving wall cabinets, strong base cabinets for heavy storage, modern laminate doors, smart corner storage solutions, all done at factory price to keep the budget affordable. This modular kitchen includes elegant cabinet finish, maximum storage for utensils and groceries, easy to clean surfaces, modern design perfect for small apartments. This is the perfect modular kitchen renovation idea for dwelling and small flats in Kolkata. A well-designed modular kitchen helps you save space, keep your kitchen organized, improve the look of your home, increase property value, and the best part, you can get these at the lowest price in Kolkata. First, our team created a strong modular kitchen cabinet structure using high-quality plywood. This ensures long durability, strong cabinet support, perfect fitting for the kitchen layout. Every cabinet was custom designed according to the available space. If you want an affordable modular kitchen renovation in Kolkata, contact Kolkata Interior today. Like this video. Comment your kitchen size. Subscribe for more home interior and furniture design ideas in Kolkata.